What is up, guys? Snapping back with another vlog, and I'm still in Chicago. So I have like one general rule when it comes for looking for places to eat when I'm traveling. If there's a lot of people waiting outside, chances are it's good. So apparently the wait to eat here is like an hour and a half to 2 hours. I think I'm just gonna get pancakes to go. It's gonna be the first day since saying that my diet hasn't been great, and now I'm getting this. I don't really do it. And out of the darkness comes Roshan. Welcome to my crib, and this is Roshan's home. Yeah. How you doing? Alright, thank you so much.
Take a slight right turn onto North.
Okay, is this the spot?
Then the destination.
Yeah. Alright, so thanks to Roshan, we're at Arturo's Tacos, and he highly recommends it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Did not let us down. And look at that. Well, that's what I call freaking tacos. And I got one more because you can never have too many tacos. This is amazing, yo. Best Mexican food I've ever had in my life. Sounds like bachata music. Dude, that shit's hilarious. Alright, buddy. Alright, there we go. Dude, what the hell, bro? This is like, this is one of those situation right here, man. What the, dude?